I wanted to give you the benefit of another 1 minute wonder video about one of our favourite shrubs. This is the lantern tree, or the lantern shrub, Crinodendron. What a beautiful spring flowering shrub this is. This is smothered in these kind of pinky red lantern-like flowers. This is in May. It's been in flower now for a good month. Sometimes it goes well into June, and it's really quite easy to grow. It's evergreen. It likes fairly well drained soil, but this is in quite heavy soil here, but it's sloping ground, so some of the excess water drains away. It's in good sunlight, and it likes an acid soil, which most of the soils in the UK are acidic. If you're on chalky or limey soil, you might need to think about adding some acidic soil to that, but around here they just love it. It can get quite big, it can get over 10 foot high, but what we do is we cut it off. When it's finished flowering, we cut off the top, a nice rounded kind of dome, and that keeps it in this nice kind of 6 foot high and 6 foot across shape, and it's a glorious show of colour. Look at all those flowers there. Wouldn't you love that in your garden? Excuse me, I'm going to count these flowers. Bye.